All right, folks, here go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.5 Ecoboost engine, all-wheel drive with 123,000 miles, all original. Vehicle is original bright white from factory. Vehicle does have some scratches, some minor little door dings, but nothing big or major to worry about. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape. This vehicle does have a clean and clear title. This is not a salvage unit. Once again, this is a clean and clear title vehicle. Vehicle does have a rear window tint only, does not have window tint on the front doors. Vehicle does have 3 holes in the roof. I will go ahead and show those to you as I make my way around the vehicle here. Vehicle does have a working backup camera. Vehicle also does have a tow hitch in the bottom. It's right there. Tow hitch is available on this vehicle. Once again, this is going to be the 3.5 liter engine, Ecoboost engine. The paint on the vehicle looks super sharp. Once again, it's bright white from factory. It does have some scratches. Vehicle does have a door ding on the rear right door, which you guys can see right here. Okay. That's about it. Some tiny little scratches that are hardly noticeable, folks, but they are there. I passed one, but I'm gonna go ahead and point it out on the driver's side rear door. The vehicle does have the 245s 5518 tires on it. These are the OEM wheels that the vehicle came with. Let me come over here. These are the OEM wheels that the vehicle came with, and once again, the tires are going to be 245 5518. The tires on this vehicle are new, and they are by Toyo tires. Celsius 2. That's what I have here. So once again, Toyo tires, Celsius 2. Very nice tire tread. They are new, very quiet, comfort ride. Okay. Vehicle does have one super clean working LED spotlight bulb. Vehicle does have nice and clear lights and lessons on the front. Everything does work on the vehicle. What you see is what you are gonna get, folks. One scratch on the rear driver's side door. I'm gonna put a touch of paint on it, but once again, I wanted you to see it. Okay. All 4 tires are new on this vehicle. One hole, 2, 3. Sorry for the lighting, folks. Daylight savings is getting darker on me a little bit quicker than usual here, so I got to get used to this new time change. Let's go inside of the vehicle here so I can show you what we got to work with, folks. As you guys can see, I do have a perfect matching interior. Rear seat is not vinyl, it matches the front, so this is the upholstery of the vehicle. No holes or tears on the vinyl floor whatsoever. I do have 4 perfect door panels. All 4 door panels are in perfect running condition. Driver's side seat is in nice shape, folks. Passenger side seat is in new condition. The vehicle does have a police type center console that is gonna stay with the vehicle. I'm not gonna remove it. I'm not gonna sell it separately. What you see is what you're gonna get. Honk does work. Super clean LED light. Lens right there, folks. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I do apologize. I'm sorry. Super clean. Everything does work. Vehicle does have 3 keys and 2 working key fobs. Once again, 3 keys and 2 working key fobs. Usually I get 1 key. This time I got plenty of keys and 2 fobs, which is great. Just focusing in the mileage here real quick. Oh, sorry guys, I had it. Vehicle does have 123,000 miles right there, as you guys can see. All original miles. Once again, this is a clean and clear title vehicle. Everything is working on the vehicle. Super cold air conditioner. Bluetooth, factory Bluetooth does work. Once again, folks, what you see is what you are gonna get, okay? Cigarette lighters do work over here, so you have plenty of cigarette lighters. Courtesy lights do work. Red LED, white LED. What else? Am I forgetting anything? Let's go to the trunk of the vehicle real quick. Folks, if I do forget to mention something here on the video, in YouTube, I'm gonna make sure I cover everything on my eBay page, okay? So this is the back of the vehicle. I do have a metal tray instead of the plastic one. Full spare tire, hold down pan, floor jack, it's on the bottom of the tire. Everything is here, folks. This door, once it lifts up, is pretty hard to bring it down. It's pretty strong actually. All right, so this is the back. These lights, they do not work. This is what came with the car, so I'm leaving that alone, okay? The paint is very sharp, very shiny. Vehicle does have 4 new tires from the department. Vehicle is equipped with factory HID lights, pretty bright at night. Gotta love it, gotta love it. One hand, I'm sorry. All right, folks, this is the engine. Vehicle is in nice, perfect running condition, very smooth, very fast. Once again, what you see is what you're gonna get. The engine doesn't make any funny noises, any funny ticks, and doesn't have any funny smells whatsoever. All right, starting right to left, the vehicle does have a new air filter, new group size 65 interstate battery from Costco with 3-year warranty. All 6 spark plugs are new. Motorcraft platinum spark plugs were installed. Full synthetic 530 oil change was done. Full synthetic transmission service was done by Motorcraft LV. Vehicle does have a new Motorcraft cabin filter as well inside the cabin. That's where it goes, right behind the glove box. Fluids have been topped off. Coolant was a little bit low, so I topped it off. It's not leaking, it's not overheating. Washer fluid was topped off. Brake fluid was full. Power steering rack is an electronic one, so we don't have a power steering fluid in here for me to check. Super cold air conditioner, very nice suspension, very tight suspension. In fact, let's see, am I forgetting anything? I don't think so. Everything is in working order. Everything is in perfect running condition in this vehicle, folks, as I already took the time to go through it. And yes, I'm driving her around to make sure that she is 110% ready to go. Okay, so the miles might be a little bit off or a little bit higher, but not by much. I like that. I like the way it looked. All right, folks, once again, this is going to be a 2016 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.5 Ecoboost engine, all-wheel drive, clean and clear title, ready to go, folks. If you're looking for a vehicle to take it from A to C, this is it right here, folks. Also, before I forget, I gotta tell you that the vehicle does have a new front, rear brakes and rotors from the department. So whatever officer was assigned to this vehicle, they did an amazing job staying on top of it. And yes, she is ready to go, folks. One last final look. If you guys see something you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's talk about it. Let's see if I can get you behind the wheel of one of my units. And yes, I know there's many out there that are a lot cheaper, but there is a reason why. Okay, you put your money where you want it to go. But if you're looking for the right quality vehicle, I do have them right here for you. All right, folks, I gotta go. This is the Crown Victoria guy, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers, bringing you the best of the fleet government vehicles out there. If you have any special inquiries, any special vehicles that you guys are looking for, please do not hesitate to call me, text me, or email me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Serious inquiries only, please. All right, guys, thanks for staying with me for these 11 minutes. You guys have a blessed week out there. Please be safe. God bless and take care.